today's video, I'm going to teach you steps to enter a 1099 form in TurboTax. First, sign in to your TurboTax account and open the tax return you're working on. If you've already started, select Continue to pick up where you left off. Make sure you have your physical 1099 in front of you so you can match each box exactly and confirm you're working in the correct tax year before you begin. Next, use the search bar at the top of TurboTax. Type the specific form you received. For example, enter 1099 NEC for non-employee compensation, 1099 MISC for certain miscellaneous payments like rent, or 1099 INT for interest income. When the results appear, choose the form that matches your document and click the Jump to link. This shortcut takes you straight to the right section, saving you time and avoiding extra menus. Now choose how you want to enter the information. If the Snap and Import option is available, you can use the TurboTax mobile app to take a clear, well-lit photo of the form. Hold your device steady, fill the screen with the form, and avoid glare. The software will read the boxes and populate the fields for you. Carefully review every entry and correct anything that doesn't match your paper form. If scanning isn't available or you prefer full control, select the option to type it in yourself to enter everything manually. TurboTax will guide you through a series of prompts. Enter each item exactly as it appears on your 1099, including the payer's name, identification number, and the dollar amounts in the correct boxes. Pay close attention to which box an amount belongs in. For example, non-employee compensation usually appears in box 1 of a 1099 NIKI, while bank interest appears on a 1099 INT. If your form shows federal or state tax withheld, make sure to enter those withholding amounts so you receive proper credit. Include any state details if they're listed. Enter cents when shown, and double-check identification numbers and spelling to prevent mismatches. When you're finished, review the summary screen. Confirm that the entries look accurate and that you haven't duplicated the same form by both scanning and typing. Save your entries and continue through your return. TurboTax will automatically place the income into the appropriate section of your tax form so it flows to the correct schedules. If you received multiple 1099s, simply repeat this process for each one, keeping copies for your records. That's it. With your 1099 information entered cleanly and accurately, you can continue with the rest of your return and file with confidence.